Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we have a very exciting launch from one of my favorite brand partners, Huda Beauty. We all know and love Huda Beauty, and she is back at it again with this brand new line of Easy Bake baking powders. I know, so exciting. So first off, what is baking? Baking is basically a makeup technique that originated in the drag community, and it's a really great technique to make your makeup last all day long. You can take a translucent powder and bake underneath the eyes and let the powder sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe it off, and you're left with a flawless base. And basically the whole science behind it, if you want to get into the nitty-gritty, is that when you're baking, your the heat of your skin is actually heating up the powder and setting the foundation and concealer and kind of creating an armor for your makeup. So that's why it's gonna last all day and leave you with that super duper flawless finish. And that is why Huda's new launch is so exciting. She actually launched 8 different shades, so now it's back and better than ever. Baking is here to stay because now even more skin tones can achieve that perfect baked face look without having that, you know, white ghostly cast over the face, because there are 8 shades, like I said before. So these powders are so nice because they're really finely milled. They have ultra fine pigments in there, and they subtly color correct and highlight the areas that you need them to do. They also create a really nice airbrush finish to them because they are so finely milled. And like I said before, when you're baking, you are getting that super long lasting makeup look effect, and these powders can blur the appearance of pores and fine lines as well. So lots of fun stuff to play around with these new powders. I'm gonna try to swatch some of these. I don't really know how well this is going to go because I've never swatched, you know, loose powders like this, but we'll give it a shot for you guys. I can't get over the scent. It smells so good. Those are all the swatches. Let us know in the comment section below, what do you guys like to do while you're baking? For me personally, I'm always running late, so I have to get other stuff done while I'm baking. Sometimes that means eating, sometimes that means getting my water, my hydration, but also another little tip that I like to do is actually to finish off some of the rest of my makeup so that I'm still continuing my makeup routine while I'm taking the time to bake. So I'll finish off like my contour, my bronzer, then I'll wipe away the baking powder and finish off highlight and blush, and I'm pretty much good to go. So that is it for this episode. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks so much for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.